Today we're diving into NinjaTrader 8, a platform that claims to be the best futures trading software. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore its features, usability, and whether it's really worth your time and money. NinjaTrader 8 is primarily designed for futures and forex traders, offering a variety of advanced charting tools and analytics. At first glance, the interface feels quite comprehensive, catering to both novice and experienced traders. You can expect features like real-time data, market analysis, and customizable charting options, which are essential for making informed trading decisions. However, the user experience can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. There's a steep learning curve with all the tools and options available, and while it's great for those who are willing to invest time into learning, casual traders might find it a bit daunting. One standout feature is its extensive backtesting capabilities, allowing users to simulate trading strategies based on historical data. Still, some users have reported frustration with the installation process and occasional bugs, which can be off-putting when you're eager to start trading. On the pro side, NinjaTrader 8 offers powerful charting tools and robust analytics that can significantly enhance your trading strategies. The backtesting feature is particularly useful for serious traders looking to refine their approaches. However, there are some notable cons. The platform's complexity can be a barrier for beginners, and the learning curve might deter those looking for a simple trading solution. Additionally, some users have raised concerns about the reliability of customer support and the occasional glitches within the software. Pricing can also be a sticking point. While there are free options, many of the more advanced features require a paid license, which might not be ideal for everyone. If you're not trading frequently, you might find better value elsewhere. In conclusion, NinjaTrader 8 is a powerful tool for serious futures traders who are willing to invest the time to learn its ins and outs. However, if you're just starting or prefer a more straightforward platform, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying, but be prepared for a bit of a learning